Well, I want to show you guys today how to use the sweep tool in Autodesk Inventor, since that's something new we haven't really done in class. So I'm going to go to my Inventor file here and I'm going to start a new sketch. And so I'm just going to pick the XY plane. I'm going to come in, and I think your assignment is to make a paper clip. This would work with any shape that you want to trace out with the sweep command. And so we're going to start with the line tool here. And I'm going to just trace out, doesn't really matter the dimensions. I'm going to sort of trace out the shape of a paper clip. I'm going to start with the line, and then I'm going to stop, and then I'm going to use the arc to create the top of the paper clip here. So you do 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and then you go back to the line tool and then continue your paper clip further down. And you would continue this process, obviously, with another arc, another straight line, another arc, another straight line until you complete your whole paper clip. So let's say we finished our paper clip sketch using the line tool. We're going to finish that sketch and take a look at it. Notice it's just a line right now. Now, in order to make this a thick paper clip, I have to actually create a circle to sweep out this line and actually follow the line where it goes. So one of the best ways to do that is that we need a work plane to draw on, because there's nothing here to draw on. Also, when you start this line, make sure you start it at the origin. I didn't mention that earlier because it helps it connect to the work plane here better. So you want to come up here and you want to open the origin folder so you can see X, Y, Z, X, Z, X, Y planes. And then come over here and click on plane, plane, and choose the plane, which in this case is the XZ plane that lays perpendicular to our line. And then this will give us a plane we can actually sketch on. So I can actually click on now Start 2D Sketch. I can click on this new work plane that I created. I can then take a circle and put it right at the origin. That's why it was important you started your line at the origin. And then we can make it ever how thick you want to make your paper clip. And you make a circle, you finish the sketch, and now you've got a little circle at the end of a line. And this is where the great command, the sweep command, will take this circle and it will sweep it throughout the entire path. So we click on sweep, we click on the line, and notice it automatically picks the circle. We want to pick the path that the sweep is to take. So we pick the line and then OK, and there you go. It actually takes that circle and sweeps it along the line to create part of a paper clip. And I'll leave you guys to finish that paper clip.